Hello design enthusiasts! Welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, your go-to resource for all things home decor and design. Today we're diving deep into the heart of your home, the sitting room decor inspiration to create the perfect space. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. This space serves many purposes, from a place to unwind after a long day to a spot for entertaining guests. A well-designed sitting room can truly elevate your home's ambience and functionality. So if you're ready to transform your sitting room into a haven of comfort and style, you've come to the right place. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is interior design for a sitting room? It's more than just throwing some furniture together. It's about creating a cohesive and functional space that reflects your personal style while serving its intended purpose. Interior design considers everything from the layout and color scheme to the furniture, lighting, and accessories. It's about maximizing the space, creating a comfortable atmosphere, and ultimately, making your sitting room a place you truly love to spend time in. It's about creating a space that tells your story. Now, why should you invest time and effort into designing your sitting room? The benefits are numerous. A well-designed sitting room not only looks beautiful, but also enhances your quality of life. It can create a sense of calm and relaxation, making it the perfect escape from the stresses of daily life. It can also be a fantastic space for socializing and entertaining, leaving a lasting impression on your guests. A thoughtfully designed sitting room can even increase the value of your home. By optimizing the layout and functionality, you can make the most of the available space, making it feel larger and more inviting. Ultimately, a well-designed sitting room contributes to a more comfortable, enjoyable, and valuable home. How do you decorate a good, comfortable sitting room interior? So, how do you actually go about decorating a comfortable sitting room? The key is to consider several factors. First, think about the function of the room. Will it be primarily for relaxation, entertaining, or both? This will help you determine the type of furniture and layout you need. Next, consider the size of the room and choose furniture that fits proportionally. Don't overcrowd the space. Focus on creating a comfortable flow. Lighting is also crucial. Use a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. And of course, don't forget the personal touches. Add accessories that reflect your style and personality, such as artwork, photographs, or decorative objects. Comfort is paramount, so choose soft textures, cozy throws, and plush cushions. A well-decorated sitting room is a balance of aesthetics and comfort. What are the best items for interior design for a sitting room? Choosing the right items is essential for creating a functional and stylish sitting room. Here are some must-haves. First, comfortable seating. A sofa or sectional is the centerpiece of most sitting rooms. Choose pieces that are both comfortable and stylish. Second, coffee table. A coffee table provides a surface for drinks, snacks, and decorative items. Third, side tables. Side tables are perfect for holding lamps, books, and other small items. Fourth, area rug. An area rug can define the space and add warmth and texture. Fifth, lighting. A combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting is crucial for creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Sixth, window treatments. Curtains or blinds can add privacy and style. Seventh, artwork. Artwork can add personality and visual interest to the room. Eighth, decorative accessories. Pillows, throws, vases, and other accessories can add pops of color and texture. 9th, plants. Plants can bring life and freshness to the space. 10th, storage solutions. Baskets, shelves, or cabinets can help keep the room organized. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best interior design ideas for sitting rooms to inspire and spark your imagination. 1. Classic elegance. Think traditional furniture, rich colors, and luxurious fabrics. Imagine a Chesterfield sofa, a mahogany coffee table, and velvet drapes. 2. Modern minimalist. Embrace clean lines, neutral colors, and simple furniture. A sleek sofa, a glass coffee table, and minimalist artwork would be perfect. 3. Bohemian rhapsody. Mix and match patterns, textures, and colors. Think colorful rugs, patterned pillows, and eclectic artwork. 4. Scandinavian serenity. Focus on functionality, simplicity, and natural materials. Lightwood furniture, cozy textiles, and plenty of natural light are key. 5. Industrial chic. Incorporate raw materials like exposed brick and metal. Think vintage furniture, Edison bulbs, and leather accents. 6. Coastal retreat. Create a relaxed and airy atmosphere with light colors, natural materials, and nautical accents. Think white sofas, blue and white striped pillows, and seashell decorations. 7. Mid-century modern. Embrace the iconic designs of the mid-20th century. Think Eames chairs, tulip tables, and geometric patterns. 8. Farmhouse charm. Create a cozy and inviting space with rustic furniture, natural materials, and vintage accents. Think a farmhouse table, a slip-covered sofa, and mason jar lighting. 9. Glamorous vibe. Add a touch of luxury with metallic accents, plush fabrics, and statement pieces. Think velvet chairs, a gold coffee table, and a crystal chandelier. 10. Eclectic fusion. Mix and match different styles and eras to create a unique and personalized space. Think a vintage armchair, a modern sofa, and a bohemian rug. Creating a beautiful and comfortable sitting room is an investment in your home and your well-being. By carefully considering the function, layout, and decor, you can transform your sitting room into a space you truly love. Remember, the key is to create a space that reflects your personal style and meets your needs. What are your favorite sitting room design tips? Share them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more inspiring interior design ideas. Subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more interior design inspiration.